Hi, my name is Marine. I'm a teacher and the founder of the Online Rock Lessons Academy. These licks are actually a sneak peek about my brand new course on JON LORD. I talk about scales, licks, comping, solos, and how to use all of that in your own playing. So if you're a fan of JON LORD just like I am, I'm gonna drop the link just below. It's available right now at onlinerocklessons.com, so make sure you check it out. Alright, let's start with the first lick, and this one is from Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple, and it sounds just like this. Alright, so for this lick, we're gonna be on the G minor chord. So basically, we're gonna be using the G minor pentatonic blues scale to play it. Now for the drawbars, I'm just gonna be using the four first drawbars right here, and I added a cool distortion in the back just to make it sound more closer to what JON LORD was using. Alright, let's take a look at what we're gonna be playing for that lick. So this one is one of my favorite in Smoke on the Water. So basically, we're gonna start on G, going all the top here with the 5th and the flat 7 of G minor. So it goes like 1 and 2. You have a grace note on C sharp, that's the blue note. And then you go down, we have 16th note here, so it's C and F. And then we have 1, 2, flat 3, 1, flat 7, 5, flat 7, and a beautiful power chord here, D and G. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1. One more time. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1. Now the second one is from the song Burn by Deep Purple, and I love using that lick in my solos. It's super simple, it's only 2 chords that you can use, and I'm gonna show you how it sounds like. Alright, so we're going to be using the G minor chord and the F major chord. So basically it's the first degree, the minor degree, and the flat 7, that is a major degree. And we're going to alternate between those 2 chords to do that lick. So we're using chord inversion here. So basically if I go like here, we have G minor, then we have F major, G minor, F major, G minor, and you go down like this using the chord inversion that is closer to one another. Now we're going to be adding the triplets. So it's 1, 2, 3, so, and then F, G minor, F, G minor, F, G minor, F, and like that. And you can do the whole organ if you want to. So one more time. And just like that. Alright, so for the last lick I want to show you today is from Roses Quintina's solo, and it goes like this. So this one is going to be on an A minor chord, and it's using basically the A minor pentatonic blues scale here. So what he does is we're going to start here on A and C, and we're going to be having a grace note on G sharp right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, up. This one is the 16th rest, so it goes pretty fast into the next 8 notes. So make sure that you check out the rhythm. So we have 1, 2, 3, up. And then we're back here for the 3rd time. We go to the flat 7, the 5th, back to the flat 7 and the 3rd, and to the 1 here. So 1, 2, 3, up. Just like that. And if we keep going, we have 8 notes here. So we have 3, 4, and 1, G and C, E, and we have A and D. Alright, the whole thing. 1, 2, 3. Faster. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so there you go. You have 3 of the amazing licks from the JON LORD course. There's more, there's scales, comping, so many things I want to teach you about JON LORD. So make sure that you check out the new course. There's the link just in the description below. It's onlinerocklessons.com. Check it out. It's available right now. Alright, so have fun with these licks and have a good practice.